What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to see and check where you can go using your passport, okay? So, if you are a root member of this channel, you already liked this video, but if you still did not like, please wait until the end, because if I bring some valuable information for you, you can like this video if you like it, okay? Also, you can subscribe this channel if you find this content useful and share with your friends, okay? So, how to find an updated database of the words, passports, and where you can go using it and what you need, okay? So, here is the tool. Just go to Google and type this, passportindex.org. You're gonna find this site, click on it. There is a hedge fund that did purchase this tool some years ago, okay? And this is the tool that we're gonna be using. Here you can see an updated list and rank for all of the world's passports. And you can search by these names as well. For example, let's start with the second one, okay? So, Albania, we have the mobility score, the global rank, and the individual rank. You can see the other passports, and in addition you can find by clicking right here, type the name. For example, I'm from Brazil, so I'm gonna type the B from Brazil, find my passport, and see where I can go using it. My mobility score, it's 156, and you can see the scores by year. As you cannot see, once on the pandemic time, our score goes really down, but it's already good, so we have a good score. And into our right side of the screen, we can see the places where you can go and what we need. For example, to Argentina, we have visa free for 90 days. No need to worry, okay? Here is the Argentina passport. As you can see, you can hover over them, the countries right here, in the case that you need. For example, in the case that you want to go, for example, to Botswana, you can go. Here is the mobility score. We can compare, in the case that we want to compare the passports. For example, the first one is the Argentina. Let me find the Brazil one. Let me search for the United States one. So, U. And let me apply the United Kingdom one. And as you can see, the biggest score is the United States, but we can see the difference. For example, in the case that someone wants to go, for example, to Australia, we need an e-visa, okay, for passports holders of Brazil going to Australia. From America, we need an ETA 90 days visa, and the same for United Kingdom. For going to this country, we need the visa on arrival or e-visa, okay? And you can scroll down so you can find places where you can go using your passport in a simple, fast, and free way. They have some awesome mobile apps. Let me show you that. The apps are for free. The Passport Index, it's present on Google Play and also on the App Store from your iPhone, okay? It works pretty good. I did test it in my mobile. It works pretty good. If you go right here, you can see you can contact, you can find the visa. They have some updated tools. They also on a blog that is really useful in the case that you are planning to travel abroad, okay? You can apply for visa and you have some recommendations right here, okay? Let me show you more about the tool. Here's their blog. There's some nice and useful content right here. You can find the hank, the passport hanks. You can search for global, individual, welcoming, world opening, 2021, and trends. Let's find the global. So the big winner, it's the United Arab Emirates, okay? Followed by Germany. As you can review, the Ely password, it's really good, like the France, Spain, most on Europe. What a wonderful password by New Zealand. Look like this. It's fancy. Really solid. And to finish up, we can review and learn more about their tool, okay? So, the password index, it's the original interactive password ranking tool in the world. Invented and empowered by Arton Capital, okay? So, there is a hedge fund, okay? It's the only real-time global ranking of the world's passwords, updated as frequently as new visa waivers and changes are implemented, okay? So you can learn more about their methodology, okay? Learn how they work, how to use them, but it's a really important tool in the case that you are planning to travel, and I do recommend that you spend some time exploring these because we can find very interesting things right here. For example, the word openers score, okay? So this is something like a gamification of the passwords and places where you can go or not to go, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are planning to travel to some place or use this, or if you find this content useful, please share with a friend of yours, with your family. Feel free to leave a comment into the section below so we can talk about. Share with us the places where you want to go, the password that you own. For example, I own one on Brazil, okay? So this is mine. Let me know yours, okay? And in the case that you are in needs of building an amazing website for free, feel free to use the WordPress.org and find our Enzo and Borderless WordPress plugins. The Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugin. They are amazing tools, works for free, and you can download by any time, install and build your, for example, travel photographer website for free, okay? So it is. I'm gonna leave some links into the first comment of this video for very useful sources. For example, a place where you can purchase a domain name for 99 cents, a place where you can purchase a very cheap hosting platform for your website, and a place where you can download design assets for free like Photoshop templates, icon, design elements, and many more topics, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!